What is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be doing some test hits on Sully with the full drag pack. So as you can see, we have my VMSs on there with the Mickey Thompson Street SS and a big beefy 305. Tomorrow we're going to be going to the strip to get a baseline with my bass tune, but I also wanted to do some draggies before we go. So we've got it right here. I think the car is going to run like what? Maybe a 12.0, 12.2 on the street. We'll see in just a second when we get to the draggy. I'm going to be lining it up with John's F-150. All-wheel drive. Yeah?
All-wheel rust.
We'll see, though. John thinks he's going to get the
Bro,
top,
I'm going to win. I'm going to win, dude. As soon as the light comes on, gone.
This is also going to give us a good baseline for the strip tomorrow. I mean, it'll give you a general idea. Obviously, with prep, this thing's going to hook a lot harder, but it looks so mean on that. And yes, I am painting my calipers. I see a bunch of comments about that all the time. We're going to go full white. You have the log, right?
The log's gone, yeah.
60.
What was that? 4.9.
So, just sit back and relax, my lord, because it's time for you to meet today's eligible bachelorettes. And here they are.
Just go around down the middle of the road.
Same exact time. 491. 491. Same exact time.
That's disappointing. This thing is god-awful slow. Probably slower than stock, as you guys saw in the video. Car definitely made more power, headers only, but I mean, what do you expect? We only have 19 degrees of timing, so the track day tomorrow is going to be pretty much a waste of time, but I guess we'll still have fun. Even though if the car doesn't run, I'll get to meet up with my buddies, all that. You know what, fellas? I say this with deep regret, but unfortunately they did cancel the track day because of quote-unquote weather reasons, so I guess we're just gonna have to do it out in good old Mexico with the draggy, like we were testing with the truck last night, and we'll see what Sully goes. So I'll do a burnout just for the culture. I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference because this thing is literally on a bass tune, like I've been saying. So you can't rip on me for it being slow, but it is going to be very, very slow. At least it looks cool while it does it. So we'll see what she does in just a minute. We need to find a good part of Mexico, you know, outside the border that we won't get caught. I'm telling y'all right now, the fastest this thing is probably gonna go on the street is like a 12.0, even with a freaking big fat burnout. I'm also gonna be laying some painter's tape right here because I'm gonna do a fat burnout, boys. We're gonna do it for the culture, send it one time, and you remember what happened when I didn't do that last time. So we had a bunch of caked up rubber on here. This painter's tape will collect all that rubber and protect the wrap, because last thing I want to do is stain the wrap. Really battling this weather right now, but we'll go in a sec. Bro got scared. We're currently trying to find a spot, John and I, and rolling around with the Insta360 is hilarious. Everyone is breaking their necks at this car. Oh, every time I try and film one of these things, God, Jesus Christ. Just gonna do a burnout so you guys can see what it's gonna look like with boost, you know?
Oh no.
Because we can't launch it, it's way too wet out. It just poured for like the past 30 minutes and we've been driving trying to get out of it. It ain't gonna happen, but we can let up some smoke. Hold on. Me being crazy and Sully made John want to do a burnout. So I guess we're gonna go in the cloud tank now and do one. I got the Insta360 on there too. All right, John, let's see it. got a dip! We got a dip! They are so mad! They came out and started screaming, bro. What is going on, guys? I am TobyVegaD. Delicious is what the D stands for. Toby, as you can see right here, check this out. Look at this massive yard sale. He's getting ready to go down the drag strip to make a bunch of, what, 13 second passes, you already know. We got the entire trunk, let me hop over this, entire trunk cleaned out. We're about to leave, we're a little late as usual, you already know. Look at them, so delicious. Bro,
Look at your
this
feet,
right here is a 10. We're literally almost here at the drag strip.
Yes, sir, we're pulling up. Focus! There we go. Ready, bro?
A little bit, I'm a little nervous, you know, in front of everybody doing this stuff.
Yo, all right, bro. We're here. There it is. There's the drag strip. We're pulling up.
You ready to see this thing to run at 13, John?
Yeah.
Are you like actually ready for this to happen though?
Dude, I'm gonna be in the trunk.
During the pass? Should I do it over there?
Let's do it here real quick.
Let's do it over there. Let's do it over there.
Dude's gotta put the pants on. If we run faster than a 13.99, we need a helmet, so we're not gonna be wearing one.
All right, fellas, we're gonna give her minus 10 PSI by visual estimation. Shout out to the dude with the ZL1 that let me use his tire pressure reader because my estimation was crazy off. He's right over there.
All right, Toby, you ready?
Yeah, a little bit nervous, but let's hope for an 11. Probably not gonna happen. Considering the
No, you got it. He's busy. Yes, sir. Toby just ran a 12 on the base tune built motor. Woo! I gotta walk half a mile to go see him. Okay. Okay. You ran a 12.
Yeah, I know, but it's slow.
Pick me up. No. No. All right, run down. What just happened?
I had a good 60 foot. I went 1.9. Probably could get down to 1.7, but the car is slow, man. I mean, I ran a 12.5, but it's so slow. If it had a tune, we'd be going like probably high 10s. This thing, it has the potential to go fast, but it's on a boost cam base, and we're just gonna have to deal with it. There's no knock, which is good, which means I can make another pass.
Let's go.
And hopefully go 12.4 this time. We are not going 11s. It's not happening.
Nah, you got it. You got it. All right, Toby, you're about to make your second pass. What do you think you're gonna get?
12.3, hopefully. Ready, bro?
Here we go. Light them up. I think he said he had a 192 60 foot, and from what I saw, it was a 12.5. I don't know, but we might be able to make one more pass. If not, I'll let Toby tell you why.
I think you ran a 192.
Yeah.
It looked pretty good.
Saw the stock 10 speed?
I didn't see it, no.
That's
What'd you
the one
run?
I raced.
What'd you run? 12.5?
12.5 again.
Nice. You wanna go again?
I'm
No?
done. It's
All
not
right.
gonna go faster.
I need to stop forgetting to record my outros. Like, I'm literally editing this video as I'm recording this, and guess what? I forgot to film one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.